Hey everyone, welcome back to our Java Brick Breaker series. In episode 1, we set up our game window and created a custom game panel. In this video, we'll draw our paddle and the ball using Java's paint method. Let's get started. First, open the Brick Breaker project we created in episode 1. Make sure you have your game window and game panel ready. Now, open your gamepanel.java file. In episode 1, we painted a simple black background. Now we'll add our paddle and ball. These variables define where the paddle and ball will appear in their sizes. At the top of your game panel class, let's add some variables to store the paddle and ball positions and sizes. These variables define where the paddle and ball will appear in their sizes. Next, let's update our paint method to draw the paddle and the ball on top of the black background. It clears and paints the background black, then draws a green rectangle for the paddle, and a yellow circle for the ball. Now save your changes. Go back to gamewindow.java, right-click it, and choose Run File. You should see your black game window with a green paddle at the bottom and a yellow ball above it. In the next episode, we'll add keyboard controls so you can move the paddle left and right. This will make our game interactive. Thanks for watching episode 2. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next part of our Brick Breaker tutorial. See you soon.